our channel techsmartbest. Now I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. So this video will be very interesting and please watch a complete video. If you are interested about tech videos, so please press subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. So without wasting any more time, go for it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G offer technology. The technology is available in the smartphone GSM, HSPA, LTE and 5G technology. Now we're talking about the body. The body of the smartphone dimension foldable dimension 159.2 by 128.2 by 6.9 mm. The foldable dimension of the smartphone 159.2 by 68 by 16.8 mm. The weight of the smartphone 279 grams. The body of the smartphone glass front foldable plastic frame unfoldable plastic back aluminum frame. Now we're talking about the SIM of the smartphone Nano-SIM. The display of the smartphone Foldable Dynamic AMOLED 2x capacitive touchscreen 16mm color. The display size of the smartphone 7.6 inch. The resolution of the display is 1768 by 2208 pixels. Cover display 6.23 inch and the Super AMOLED 816 by 2216 pixels. The platform of the smartphone operating system Android 10 One UI 2.5. The chipset of the smartphone Qualcomm SM-F916B Snapdragon 865 Plus. CPU octa-core. The GPU of the smartphone Adreno 650. Now we're talking about the memory. The memory of the smartphone card slot is not available in this smartphone, but the internal memory of the smartphone 256 GB and 12 GB RAM. There are two cameras are available in this smartphone: main camera and selfie camera. The main camera is available in the triple camera: 12 megapixel wide camera, 12 megapixel telephoto camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The feature of the main camera LED flash HDR panorama. Now we're talking about the selfie camera. The selfie camera is also single camera, 10 megapixel wide camera, curved camera, 10 megapixel wide camera. The feature of the selfie camera HDR. The sound of this smartphone low speaker with the stereo speaker, but the 3.5 mm jack is not available in this smartphone. The connectivity of this smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of this smartphone A2DP LE. GPS with the AGPS GLONASS PDS. NFC is available but the FM radio is not available in this smartphone. The USB of this smartphone 3.1 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. Now we're talking about the sensor of this smartphone: fingerprint, side-mounted accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, Bixby by natural language command and detection, Samsung desktop experience support. The battery of this smartphone 4500 mAh battery non-removable. The charging of the battery: fast charging 25W, fast wireless charging 11W, reverse wireless charging 9W. There are two colors are available in this smartphone: Mystic Orange, Mystic Black. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphones, so please check the description. On any question about smartphones, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.